everyone, Namaste, Suswagatam. I welcome you all to my channel Samskritalayam. In this video, we are going to see Abhyasaha for the lesson 4 of standard 7. The name of the lesson is Hasya Bala Kavi Sammelanam. I already made a video on this lesson covering all the word by word meanings along with the translation and with complete explanation. If you didn't check it, please kindly check it. I will be mentioning the video link in description box. So now let us go into the Abhyasaha. First one is Ucharanam Kurta. Ucharanam Kurta means do pronunciation. So here some words are given and we are asked to do pronunciation. For understanding purpose, I mentioned with meaning also. Upari means above, Adhaha means below, Uchchaihi means loudly, Nichaihi below, Bahihi outside, Alam enough, Kadapi never, Antaha inside, Punaha again, Kutra where, Kada when, Ekada once. So now we are going to do the second question. Manjushataha avyaya padani chitva vakyani purayata. Pick out the avyaya padam and fill in the blanks. So here in box you can find the avyaya words and we have to fill in the blanks using this appropriate avyaya words. So first one, we should know the meaning of these words. Alam means enough, Antaha means inside, Bahihi means outside, Adaha means below, Upari means above. First sentence is Vrikshasya dash kagaha vasanti. Vrikshasya means of tree. So above the tree or on the tree the birds live. So kagaha means birds, vasanti means live. So birds live on the trees. Next one is dash vivadena. So vivadena means talking. So enough of talking. So alam, we have to use alam vivadena. And then varsha kale grihat dash ma gacha. Varsha kale means during rainy season. Grihat means from home. Ma gacha, don't go. So outside the home during rainy days you should not go. Okay, so bahihi means outside. And then manchasya dash shrotaraha upavishtaha santi. Manchasya means stage. Shrotaraha means listeners. Upavishtaha santi means they are seated. So the listeners are seated below the stage. Adaha means below. So manchasya adha shrotaraha upavishtaha santi. And then fifth one is chatraha vidyalayasya dash pravishanti. Chatraha means students. Vidyalayasya means of school. Pravishanti means enter. They enter into the school. So antaha. And next third question is Ashuddham Padam Chinuta. Pick out the wrong option. For each question, four words will be given. And among these 4 words, one word will be wrong one. So we have to choose the wrong option and we have to write here. Okay. So Gamanti, Yachanti, Prichanti, Dhavanti. Gamanti, there is no such word like Gamanti. Instead it should be like Gachanti should be there. If Gachanti is mentioned there, then it is the right option. So Gamanti it is not. So answer is Gamanti. And then Ramena, Grihena, Sarpena, Gajena. So here it may seems to be correct for you all the 4 options, but we have to also look at the spellings of the words also. Tavargana will be coming here instead of Tavargana. See here this is Tavargana and here this is Tavargana. So Tavargana will be coming and not Tavargana. Okay, so this is the wrong option. And then Lataya, Mataya, Ramaya, Nishaya. So Mataya, there is no such word like Mataya. Instead, it should be like Matra, Tritiya Vibhakti Rupam for Matri Shabdaha. And then, so Mataya will be the wrong option. And fourth one is Late, Rame, Mate, Priye. All are Sambodhana Pratama Vibhakti words. For Matra Shabdaha, the Sambodhana Pratama Vibhakti will be Mataha only, not Mate. Okay, so this is the wrong option. And then Likati, Garjati, Phalati, Sevati. Sevati, we should know that it is Atmanepada Dhatu, whereas all the others are Parasmepada Dhatu. So sevati, it won't be coming. Sevate will be the right answer. If sevate is there, na, it is the right option. But instead it was given sevati. So this sevati is the wrong option. Next one is fourth question. Manjushataha samanarthaka padani chitva likata. Select and write the equivalent meaning words from the box. So here in the box we can find some words. Below some words are given and we have to write the equivalent meanings and we have to fill in the blanks. Okay, so before that we should know the meaning of these words also. Prasannatayaha means of happiness, and then chikitsakam means doctor. Labdhva means having obtained. Sharirasya means of body. Dakshaha means trained or skilled. So here if you do this abhyasaha, so now let us coming to the words. Prapya means the meaning is labdhva. Okay, kushalaha means trained one, that is dakshaha. Harshasya means of happiness. Prasannatayaha. Dehasya means of body, so sharirasya. Vaidyam means doctor, so chikitsakam. And then fifth question is adho likitanam prashnanam uttarani ekapadena likata. Give one word answer. Manche kati bala kavayaha upavishtaha santi. On the stage, how many boys are seated? How many boys? Chatvaraha. So Chatvaraha is the answer. Second one, Ke kolahalam kurvanti. Who do noise? Who? The Shrotaraha, the listeners. Okay, that is the audience. So Shrotaraha is the answer. So third question is Gajadharaha kam uddishya kavyam prastauti. So Vaidyam, that is doctor. He started to tell a poem about doctor. So Vaidyam is the right answer. Tundilaha kasya upari hastam avartayati. So Tundilaha, he started to move his hands around the belly, isn't it? So kasya upari, tundasya. Next one is loke punaha punaha kani bhavanti. That is, bodies can be obtained again and again. So sharirani is the answer. And then kim kritva gritam pibet. So even though if we borrow money, we can have ghee. That is the meaning. So borrow money, that is debt, is rinam. So rinam kritva gritam pibet. And next one is sixth question. Manjushataha padani chitva kathayaha purtim kuruta. So here in the below we may find a story, and in the box some words are given, and we have to complete the story using the given words that are mentioned in the box. Okay. So first let me read the box words. Nasikayameva means in nose. Varam varam means again and again. Kadgena means by sword. Duram means at distance. Mitrata means friendshipness. Makshika, fly. Vyajanena means by fan. Upavishat means sat. Chinna means cut. Suptaha means slept. Priyaha means dear. Okay. So here we can see a picture and with a story. Let me read this. Pura ekasya nripasya ekaha dash vanaraha asita. Long, long ago, a king, he had one dear or lovable monkey. That is priyaha vanaraha. Okay. Ekada nripaha dash asita. Once the king, he slept. So suptaha. Okay. Vanaraha dash tam avijayat. This monkey, what did it do? It fanned the king. Okay, so Vyajanena, by fan, it started to do fanning. Vyajanena means by fan. Tadaiva eka dash nripasya nasikayam dash. So Tadaiva means at that time, one fly, it sat on the nose of the king. So Makshika, eka Makshika. Nripasya nasikayam upavishat means it sat. Yadyapi vanaraka dash vyajanena tam nivarayati sma. Tathapi sa punaha nripasya dash upavishati sma. So even though this monkey, it made the fly to move away from the king, but the fly, it started again and again to sit on the nose of the king only. So varam means again and again. And then where it sit? Nasikayam eva. So on the nose itself. Okay. So यद्यपि वानरः वारं वारं व्यजनेन तां निवारयति स्म तथापि सा पुनः पुनः नृपस्य नासिकायामेव उपविशति स्म. And the next one is अन्ते सः मक्षिकां हन्तुं dash प्रहारम् अकरोत्. अन्ते सः at the end सः who the monkey मक्षिकां हन्तुं to kill the fly he started to beat. Okay, so what with what? With the sword, with the kadgena. Okay, so kadgena praharam akarot. And then makshika tu uddiya dash gata kintu kadga praharena nripasya nasika dash abhavat. But this time that fly, it started to fly. That is duram gata means it started to fly away. Okay, but with that blowing of the sword, what happened to the king's nose? It was cut. So chinna means cut. So chinna abhavat. Atayeva uchyate. Atayeva uchyate is atayeva uchyate. Therefore thus it is told. What it is told? Murka janaihi saha, with the foolish people dash no uchita. No uchita means na plus uchita. It is not suitable. With whom friendship should not be done? With the foolish people. So mitrata means friendship. Okay, so with the foolish people the friendship should not be made because it is not suitable. And let us move to the 7th question, that is viloma padani yojayata, match with their opposites. So here we can find some words in the left column, we can find some words, and in the right column also some words will be given. We have to match these options according to their opposite meanings. Okay, so adaha means down, so opposite is upari, that is above, and then antaha means inside, the opposite is outside, so bahihi is the opposite. Durbuddhe means oh foolish, so subuddhe means oh intelligent. Okay, so opposite is subuddhe. Uchaihi means high, nichaihi means low, and then durlabham means difficult, sulabham means easy. So durlabham, sulabham. So with this abhyasa video comes to an end. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, please subscribe to my channel. Also, please share it across with those whom you think might benefit from this. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.